Let's have a quick review over dividing fractions. So dividing fractions, we need to multiply by the inverse, which is the reciprocal. We do that with the second fraction. And our little poem that we use to help us remember, dividing fractions, my, flip the second, and then multiply. So here we have 3/4 divided by 2/3. So dividing fractions, my, flip the second, and multiply. So we have 3/4. We flip the second, which is to multiply by the inverse. And then we change the divide sign to a times sign. And now we can multiply. Now I'm going to first check and see if we can simplify. None of the diagonals, no top with no bottoms, can simplify. So we multiply straight across. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 2 is 8. And this is great, but it's improper, so we usually make our final answer. We change it from an improper to a mixed. 8 goes into 9 once, with 1, that takes us up to 8, so there'd be 1 left over for 1/8. 1 and 1/8. So try this one on your own. Pause the video, but remember to always check and see if you can simplify first. It just makes it nicer, easier numbers to work with, and you don't have to simplify in the end. Okay, pause. So dividing fractions, my, flip the second, then multiply. So 5/6, we write the inverse, which is 6/5. Change divide to multiply, and then we take a look and see, take a shortcut. Before you multiply, see if there are numbers you can simplify. So this top and this bottom have a common factor of 6. So we divide 6 by 6 to get 1, and 12 divided by 6 to get 2. 11 and 5 do not have any common factors. 11 and 2 do not have any common factors. So we'll go ahead and multiply straight across. 11 times 1 is 11, and 2 times 5 is 10. And once again, we ended up with an improper fraction. Nothing's wrong with it, but usually for a final answer, we change it into a mixed number, which would be 1 and 1/10.